In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related products on Shopify. If you want to enhance your customers' shopping experience and increase sales, showing related products is a fantastic way to achieve that. Let's dive right in. First, start on your Shopify homepage. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side where you'll see the menu. Locate and click on the Products tab. This section is essentially the heart and soul of your e-commerce store. It's where you can manage everything related to your product listings. Now, within this section, you're going to find an option called Add Product. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you're going to begin by entering a title for your product. The title should accurately reflect the item you're listing, as it's the first thing potential customers will see. Alongside this, you'll need a description. When crafting your description, think about providing details that speak to the quality, features, and benefits of your product. You want to draw the reader in with compelling information that piques their interest and convinces them that your product is the right choice for them. The next step is to upload media for your product. This is crucial as visuals are powerful in catching the eye of your customers. Make sure you use high-quality images or videos that display your product in the best light possible. Once your media is in place, you'll need to set the price. Be clear about whether taxes are included in its price, as transparency will build trust with your customers. Then fill out other necessary fields such as inventory details, SKU numbers, and other important product information. These details help in managing your stock and ensuring smooth operations as your store starts receiving orders. After you've input all of this information, it's time to save your product. There should be a Save button, often found in the upper or lower corner of the page. Clicking this will store all your data and officially add your new product to your Shopify store. It's always good practice to save your work regularly, especially if you're making detailed entries. Now that you've successfully added a product, the next step would typically involve setting up related products, but for now, let's ensure you have these foundational steps polished. Remember, these related products play a key role in upselling and cross-selling to enhance your customers' experience by showing them items they might be interested in based on their current selection. In future videos, we can delve deeper into strategies and techniques to optimize related products for even better performance. But for now, congratulations on getting a new product up and running on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.